Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 13, basic geometrical concept. First of all, first point is point. What is point? So this is a notebook. How many corners of this notebook? 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going to mark the points A, B, C and D. This is the points. Clear? Next one is the line segment. What is line segment? It has 2 endpoints. With the help of scale, you have to draw one line with the particular length A or B. This is the line segment because it has 2 definite endpoints. Clear? Next is the line. In line, there is no endpoint. You can draw it endless. Draw any side from this side, this side. There is no particular end. Next is ray. It has only one endpoint. Suppose this is O point. You can draw line in this side endlessly. Clear? This is called ray. So in the line segment, it has a definite endpoints, and in the line there is no endpoint, and in ray there is only one endpoint. Clear? Next one is the how many line segments are joined to form the shape. I am going to show you one picture. What is this? This is the shape of a triangle. And how many line segments in this? You know, line segment has 2 endpoints, fixed endpoints. So L and M. This is the one line segment. M and N. This is the second. L and N. This is the third. So how many line segments in triangle? So there is 3, 1, 2 and 3 line segments in the triangle. So according to this, you can suppose this is a one diagram. A, B, C and D. As it is, A and B is the one line segment, B and C is the second, C and D is the third one, and A and D is the fourth line segments. Clear? Next one is the how to draw the line segments with the help of a scale. In your exercise, one sum. Construct a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter. So to measure this, first of all you have need of a scale. So measure the 6.4 centimeter from the scale. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in centimeter, and up to the 6.4. Here is the millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to the 4 you will measure from the scale 6.4 centimeter. This is the particular line segment 6.4 centimeter A and B. According to the different length, you can draw the different line segments. Next topic is angles. angles. Wait, what is angle? There are two line segments C and D, D and T with the common end point. This is called angle. I am going to realize one example. This is called scissor and two arms of this scissors, and there is a one common end point and it makes an angle. So for the representation of the angles you have need of two line segments. Now I am going to explain you the kinds of angles. Kinds of angles, first one is the right angle. Right angle, which is a measure 90-degree angle. Particular, its measure is, first one is the right angle, whose measure is 90-degree. Next one is the second is the acute angle. Third one is the obtuse angle. Fourth one is the straight angle. Acute angle whose measures lies between 0 and 90 degree. Third one is the obtuse angle whose measure is 90 degree and 180 degree. It lies between 90 and 180 degree. And last one is the straight angle. Its sum is 180 degree. So in the acute angle, its sum lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Third one is the obtuse angle. Its sum lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. And last one is the straight angle, fourth one. Sum of straight angle is 180 degree. And units of measures angle is degree. We can measure the units of angle is with the 0 degree. And in your exercise 13.5, degree angle you have to measure. How we will measure it? First of all, we have need of the protractor to measure the angle. So from the protractor you will count the 70 degree. How we will count it? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is consider it as a center. How we will draw it? First of all, keep protractor it on your copy, take it as a center, draw a straight line, then 70 degree angle we will measure. Where is 70? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So after this you will join it. Clear? This is your 70 degree angle. So with the help of a protractor you can measure the different degree angles 0 to 180 degree. Clear? Next topic is circles. First of all, what is circle? Circle is a closed plane curve. Take it as a center, 1 point O. From all sides, all points distance are equal from the center. It means this is called a circle. From the all points, its distance should be equal. This is called a circle. And in the circle, one longest chord of the circle, it is called diameter, and this is the half of the diameter is called radius. So how we will draw the circle? To draw circle, you have need of a compass. So first of all, suppose you want to draw the circle of a 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. You will draw the line of 7 centimeters with the help of scale. 7 centimeter line you will draw from the scale. Then after that, take compass and one point, take it as a center. Okay, you will open the compass up to the 7 centimeter, and after that you will draw one circle. This is your 7 centimeter radius circle. As it is, you will draw with the different centimeters different circles of the different length. This is the basic concepts of your chapters. Now you will solve the sums related with the exercise. I am going to give you homework. Exercise 13.1 and 13.2, you will solve it on copy. Thank you.